open up. You open the end, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be close friends.
Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? So I'm about to go ahead and get ready. I'm actually gonna put my makeup on today because I ain't been doing that, and definitely need to do some spot checks because my face is breaking out. I don't know what's happening, but my face is breaking out. So I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready. I gotta go get my nail fixed because I broke it, and I definitely need to oil my scalp because I'm about to lose it. I'm scratching like a crazy woman at this point. So I'm gonna do that, and then after I do that, I have to go and get me a drive, an external drive for my computer because I have an older version of the Mac and it does not have a lot of space on it. So I'm gonna do that, take some more stuff over, and yeah, so I will come back when my face is on because right now coming to you with fresh face. Alright y'all, so I'm finished at the nail salon, got my nail fixed, thank God. And now I'm about to head to the store. I gotta pick some things up, and I definitely need to stop and get me something to eat because I'm hungry now. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want to get my nose pierced or not because I think it'll be cute, but I don't want to spend unnecessary money. I might just go and get me a little fake one and wear that for now, and then decide on whether or not I'm going to get it done. But I might get it and show it to y'all for a while first, and then y'all tell me what y'all think. How about we do that? But I got a client today, so trying to figure out how I'm finna make all this work, because I got a few hours. I should be good. But I'll come back to y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna eat. Hey y'all. Okay, so made it to my destination. Yeah, so I ordered me some food. I wasn't feeling like actually going to get nothing. Like literally got to the road and was like, nah bro, we're not doing it. So I ordered me some food. I'm about to mix my barbicide and water in my new container so that I can continue to properly disinfect my tools during Little Miss Rona. But I got a black one this time because I don't know, just black look better if I can get it out the bottle shop. So this one is by a fighter. I think I pronounced that right. A fighter or a feater. I don't know. Sound foreign. But yeah, so this is my box. And I think I'll show y'all how I make my disinfectant. So I have my barbicide, and this is the disinfectant that most or all hairstylists, nail techs, estheticians, barbers, like we use this to disinfect our tools. So when disinfecting a tool, you want to make sure that your appliances are completely submerged in this product. So I'm gonna tell y'all how to mix it. You mix 2 ounces of barbicide and 32 ounces of water. So you put your 2 ounces of this barbicide into the 32 ounces of water. So it really don't take a lot, just enough to make it work. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I like this one because, let me see if y'all can see it. Hold on. Okay, see that little tray pops up I know it's black, but okay, there we go. This tray comes out, and that makes it where I'm not putting my hand into the tray and contaminating. So close, and when it opens back up, my tray is sitting outside of the barbicide. You never want to put your hands in there. You all want to use like some tweezers or some tongs, or even like put a glove on, but don't just stick your hand in the formula, because you will contaminate it. So I'm going to go ahead and go get me some water and fix my mixture, because I do have a client today, like I keep telling y'all. I don't know why I keep saying it, but I have a client today. Oh, but let me tell you how lazy I am. So I did not go and get no food. Matter of fact, let me look. I ordered some food. My food gonna be here in 19 minutes. Can y'all see that? Is it focusing? 19 minutes. And Lynette is my driver. So I got time to eat and whatnot before my client. Just see my makeup. Came out so good, and I actually love these lashes. Like, yeah, I usually buy mink lashes from different vendors and whatnot, but these are just like some 3D invisible, what did it say, invisible, the strip part is supposed to be invisible, so you can't, it won't look so fake, and they're matte, whatever that means. So I guess they're just not shiny, but they came out, they look really good. And I did simple eyeshadow. But okay, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so real quick, I put the fake one in. What y'all think? Is it cute, or should I not? I like it. I don't know if I would ever wear the ring though, because this kind of, I guess it feel weird because it's not actually there. I don't know. I made a post on my Instagram, so go look at it and vote, vote, vote. All right, y'all, so I am back, and remember I said I got my new wax pot, so this is it. Is it closed? Okay, this is it closed. And y'all done already seen the wax, but this is my Pretty Girls Get Waxed wax. It's still melting right now, but I'm only doing legs today, so as much as gets melted is good enough. I only have one person, but yeah, but it's all my little stuff. Got my gloves. I need to order another bag of wax. Got my wipes for when I do the Brazilians. Child, ain't nobody. Yeah, he just barking. Ain't nothing going on really right now. But what I'm about to do is lay down this paper so that so I don't waste no wax on the floor. I don't feel like it now. I done sat down, I done ate, and I'm full. My Outback came. Oh, I don't even know what to talk about right now. So I keep thinking that it's a car or something going by, but I don't see nothing. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Waxing now. First client of the weekend. She's doing a full leg wax. I ain't gonna put your toes in it. Y'all hear my niece?
What?
She wanna wash her hands, y'all.
Okay, babe,
so
give me a second.
just want to show y'all the wax laid down.